I'm Kevin Johnson with F&H. We're a certified SPX Flow Service and Repair Center, and today I'll be demonstrating the proper way to disassemble, inspect, and change the product seals on a Waukesha C-Series centrifugal pump. Let's look at the tools required to perform this work, and we'll get started. We'll start off our disassembly by removing the casing clamp. Remove your casing. Remove your shaft guard. Your impeller retainer, slide side to side, put it in the center location. Remove your impeller. Turn your stub shaft, catch a retainer, set aside. Turn your back plate so that the tabs slide off the retaining pins. Set down in a safe place. Remove your seal assembly, spring, tab washer, O-ring, rotating seal. Inspect for damage. 1/8" T-handle. Remove your seal retainer. 3/16 T-handle. Remove your stub shaft. Slide stub shaft off the motor shaft. That concludes the disassembly of the C-Series Waukesha pump. Now we're going to reassemble the C-Series Waukesha centrifugal pump. Start by installing our stub shaft on our motor shaft. Apply anti-seize. Next, we're going to install our seal retainer, spring and tab washer assembly. Lubricate your O-ring. Install into your seal. Slide on the stub shaft. Aligning your tabs, all 3 locations. Take your back plate. Slide onto the adapter. Turn until it locks into place. Take your impeller retainer, slide it in the center location. Slide your impeller in place. Turn until your retainer falls. Slide behind your impeller. Use your 3/16 T-handle. Tighten your stub shaft set screw. Remove your shims. Make sure the pump turns over. Now we'll install your casing. Casing clamp. Once your casing clamp is tight, now we're going to tighten our seal. Rotate the stub shaft to make sure that your retaining pin is aligned with the slot on your tab washer. Move to the front of the pump. Tighten your set screw with an 1/8" T-handle. Double check that your seal pin is aligned and that you have rotation. As your last step, install your cage. Tighten your bolt. This completes the seal assembly of our C-Series Waukesha centrifugal pump. We hope you enjoyed this pump training video. Additional videos and other helpful resources can be found on our website. Once again, I'm Kevin with F&H. Thanks for watching.